What is up, everybody? This is Lyle No Hippie Barbecue, and there is a channel that I follow by the name of the Magical Slow Cooker, and Sarah over there put out a recipe last week that made me want to dig a little bit deeper into some of her other recipes. So you know what? I went to her website, found a recipe, printed it out, and we're going to knock it out today. The recipe that she did was called Slow Cooker Crustless Broccoli Cheese Quiche. What I'm going to do is we're going to be doing everything to the letter. Two changes I'm going to be making. Instead of using broccoli, I'm going to be using spinach. And instead of using black pepper, I will be using white pepper. Anyway, this looks delicious. Looks easy to whip up. Come on in. Let's look at the ingredients. Before we get into these ingredients, I do want to let you know that I'm going to leave a link to Sarah's YouTube page, The Magical Slow Cooker, in the iCard above and description below, as well as her website. If you go there, I'm telling you, she has hundreds of slow cooker recipes. So let's get on to the ingredients. What we have is, I'm using 24 ounces of frozen cut leaf spinach, and what I did with that was I just ran it under warm water and then pushed out as much liquid as possible. In her recipe, she used 3 cups of broccoli. We also are going to use 9 eggs, 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm using white pepper instead of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 pack of cream cheese, that's 8 ounces, and then we're using 16 ounces of whatever your favorite cheese is. She used Colby Jack. I'm using just a Mexican blend, and those are our ingredients. So first thing we need to do is get these eggs cracked up and start whipping this together. So I already have my slow cooker getting heated up back here. Now we're just going to go ahead and get our eggs in. I already have our cream cheese in this bowl. So we're going to be doing 9 eggs. Now that we have our eggs in, we're just going to go ahead and throw in our salt, pepper, and I hope I didn't say garlic powder earlier. If I did, I meant onion powder. Looks kind of similar. All right, let's whip it up. All right, we got that whipped up. Now, one of the things she put in her notes was that it was okay if there were a little bit of chunks of cream cheese in there. I haven't seen any in this. So now that we have this prepared, it's just time to get everything in the crock pot. So the first thing we're going to do is just go ahead and spray the inside with the non-stick cooking spray. Lay down our bed of spinach as evenly as we can. And hopefully this works, because I am adding a little bit more than her recipe. Got that. Let's go ahead and get our cheese in. Now we're just using half of our cheese right now. So that's an 8-ounce bag. And we're just going to throw our eggs on. Alright, now that we have that in, looks like all that we need to do is cook this on high for 2 hours and 15 minutes, making sure that we don't open the lid the entire time. So our 2 hours and 15 minutes have gone by. We haven't lifted up the lid. I've unplugged it. Last step, we just need to get some cheese on it. And we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes to let the cheese melt on it. Then it's going to be a wrap. So this is a done deal. I can't wait to get into this and see how it turned out. This right here is the bomb. What do you think, Andrew? Did you eat any of that yet?
Yeah, it's really good.
Very creamy. I could see going over this with a little bit of hot sauce maybe, but hey, this is good to go. Loving the addition of that spinach as opposed to the broccoli for my flavor profile, but you know what? If you like it with broccoli, rock it with broccoli. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I appreciate it. Hey, run by the Magical Slow Cooker on YouTube and on the internet. I'm telling you, tons of great recipes. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.